Yo, Sakafet, if you're struggling to make Amapiano beat, this video is exactly for you. I'm gonna show you how to create the drum pattern, bass, rock drum, melody, and everything. So let's have some fun. Amatembo set at 113. Let's see if we can find some drum. Let's go with this one. And let's see if we can also find some shakers. Let's go with this one right there. Add this one. Okay, and now we can add and then now we can definitely do boom boom. Nice. Nice. That's it. Okay, and okay, this one we can transpose it maybe lower. Nice, I love it. And then another thing we can do, for example, this one, I think I wanna process it. Let's go to flanger, we add this vintage chorus, we remove the noise. And then the next thing is gonna be adding flanger. There's a stereo preset. Double trouble. Okay. And we add more shaker now. Combine it with this one. Let's add this one too. And we have it. Nice. And now we can duplicate everything so we can have a full pattern. Comment B. We go to this one right there. Comment B. We do the same thing for every instrument, and then we are good to go. All drum sample I use today are available on my website, so go check them out. I'm gonna link them in the description box. Maybe you don't get the drum yet, but once we add the instrument, you will understand everything. So let's add our first chord progression, which is gonna be additive key. Let's use something like an piano. Let's use the wheel stereo. Okay. And let's build our chord. We can go with okay. Once we have those, I'll Q, we quantize, take this like that, so, and then comment L. And then we copy this right there, and then we get back to the first chord. Nice. That sound fire. That sound fire. I love it. And now what we can do is combine it with another instrument so we can have a bigger sound. Let's add omnisphere. Sorry, we replace this one by omnisphere. Where are you? Okay, I'm gonna use the sonic extension on the current and go to keyboard. I already have a preset in mind, the Curtis King, the second one. This sounds so good, but we need to transpose those. The middle note of each chord, we transpose them. Let's call this one key, and we will add it to a mixer track. And then we add, let's say that we add a filter. Right. And then now we have that's fire. Woo! Now we add expand. And let's add this right here. Comment L, we add this here and here. Move this here and then lower it again. Okay, now we add maybe let's use the mini synth. Set classic, use the mini synth, and then we add the tuba bass. It's just like you copy the low note of each chord, and then you're good to go. Comment L. Now we already have a vibe. It's time to work on the log drum. See if we can add different log drum that bring vibe to the instrumental. So let's go to the extend, and we are going to use this right there. And then we follow the okay, we do the same thing right there, but now we change the note, and then this one are gonna be there, and then we transpose them lower. Okay, now we are going to combine this one with another bass. Let's go to preset, and then we use maybe let's use pure. Okay, now we clone this. I have it in my okay, we add this right there. One thing we can do right there, we create 8 bars and then we add another pattern right there and here, and then we do something like okay, we add another log drum. We copy this. I have to make sure that sorry, I have to copy this. Okay, paste. I have to paste. One thing that's gonna make this instrumental special is the violin. There's different way you can use to add it. You can hire a violinist. You can try to find a realistic violin library and contact, or you can just go to Splice. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to go to Splice and try to find some nice violin, and I can add them there. I'm gonna do that off camera and then get back to y'all. I find 2 crazy violin. This one, which is a one shot, I'm going to use it right there. But I want to make this one a little bit shorter. Let's click on this thread and then we'll put it there. And then this one right there, we'll go to stretch and then we'll put it for 4 bars, and we're on the key of G. This one is G sharp. We'll go minus 100, 1 semitone. That's a vibe. That's a vibe right there. But I think I want to do 2 changes. I want to change this one to be in there, and then this one in there, and also from there I want to take this one right there. That's fire. That's fire, guys. I love this beat. Let's go now to Suka. Let's take this kata kata and then we have this right there. Sorry. That's fire. And the next thing is, I think I wanna do something on this one. Double click here, 0 and 1, and then we'll do the same thing here. Double click, 0, and then boom. Here we go. And then it sounds like this. Nice. Nice. And now I think we can add maybe one more instrument and then we're good. Those kind of beat is gonna be only vibing, nice vibe. Afro beat combined with Amapiano artists could be very good on this one. For example, we can have Asake, we can have Young John, or we can have let's go to Omnisphere again. We can add Tyler ICU on this. You know, it's like you add some artists that gonna really bring soul and vibe to the instrumental. Let's see now if we can play. Maybe let's go to synth. Let's see. Oh, we try to find. Let's see. Okay. I think we add this into. That's good. And this is what we just create. We create a different vibe. For example, we have this right there. That's gonna be one part by itself. Let's say we have it. Then after we add everything. And then that's part after. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't yet, subscribe, turn on notifications. I wanna get to 100k subscriber before 2026. Yeah, that's it. See you in the next one.